I want to give one clarity on the topic. What is the difference between chain and runnable? So in chain, there are one or more steps that takes input and return some output. And actually those steps which are present in the chain, they are actually runnable. So you have seen lot of chain, like this is a simple example of sequential chain. So here you see this is chain, fine, and it has steps, and these are runnables. If you see, all are runnable. It is not only sequential chain is chain, parallel chains are also chain, branching is also chain, and when you combine sequential chain and let's say parallel chain together, that is also a chain. Okay, so chain is simply what it consists of one or more steps, and those steps are actually runnable. So you have seen lot of examples. So till this point, I hope you get the clarity. Also, you may see some term pipeline, or somebody will say workflow. So in general terms, these are the same things. If suppose somebody is saying chain, or if somebody is saying pipeline, or if somebody is saying workflow, this is one of the same things. This means the person is talking about chains only. So hope you get the clarity between the chains and runnable. So runnable is the part of a chain, and chain has lot of steps which are arranged based on the programming logic.